Day 223 of my body transformation. Isa sa mga main goal natin is to have a strong body. Kaya we make sure that we eat the right foods before working out. Malaki kasi ang factor ng nutrition when it comes to our performance. Pagdating sa gym, we start each exercise by doing warm-up sets. Empty muna, then unti-unti tayo nag-a-add until ma-reach natin ang desired weight natin for our working sets. Every session, we try to do progressive overload. Usually with small increments only. Mas gusto natin mag-increase ng weight na binubuhat than to increase the reps para less taxing for our body. Nakaka-affect kasi ang too much volume sa recovery ng katawan. Pag kulang sa recovery, nagkukulang din ang performance. Yung kulang natin sa volume, binabawi na lang natin sa intensity. Even after workout, mahalaga pa din ang nutrition sa performance natin. Dito kasi nakasalalay ang recovery ng katawan natin. Without enough carbs and enough protein, hindi makaka-recover na maayos ang katawan. Protein repairs the muscles, tapos carbs replenishes our glycogen. Progressive overload and proper nutrition. Kapag ginawa natin to consistently, siguradong tuloy-tuloy lang ang progress natin. Yan na muna ngayon. Bukas ulit.